Daily routine in English. Teacher script. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. This is one of the most important lessons because we will learn the basic words and expressions you need to describe your daily routine in English. The first words we need are wake up and get up. Wake up means you open your eyes in the morning. Get up means you leave your bed and start your day. Example, I wake up at 6 and I get up at 6:10. Next expression, take a shower or have a shower. In American English, we usually say take a shower. In British English, we often say have a shower. To say put on clothes, we use get dressed. The opposite is take off your clothes. For public transport, get on the bus, train, or metro. Get off the bus, train, or metro. To say arrive at a place, the common expression is get to. Example, I get to work at 10 a.m. No, we don't usually say arrive for short daily distances. Get to is more natural. If you finish work, you can say I get off work at 4 p.m. So get off can mean both leave transportation or finish work. Another useful phrase is swing by, which means to stop at a place quickly. Example, I swing by the cafe on my way home. To return home, you can say, go back home. For using the internet, surf the internet, check emails. To stay in a place, stay at. Example, I stay at the cafe, I stay at home. If you go to bed late, we say, stay up late. For housework, do the laundry equals wash clothes. Do the cooking equals cook food. To say put the kids in bed, we use put the kids to bed. And finally, to end the day, I go to bed or I sleep. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Don't forget to like and share so that others can learn too.
Where do I start? Step by step on getting it. Let's go. English, here I come. Welcome, future English speaker. Welcome to our English learning channel.